This is our apartment number 5 over at 1012 Rutland. It's got really unique arched openings, tile floor, new 2-inch mini blinds. All the lighting is LED. It's got tile countertops, all electric. It's got a pantry here. So reeded glass here in the dining area. A central. So bedroom also too with LED lights. Nice sized closet. It also has a hall closet and a linen closet. It's got a really cool gray and white checker tile, LED lighting in the bathroom, and a floating vanity. We just put it on the multiple listing service today. It's available now.